working. The outlets in the front and in the back seat didn't work. And I only found that out when I needed it, obviously on a trip. So making this video so if you come across this, you can fix it really easily. And I just popped into my local auto parts store, got me a 20 amp fuse. You can bring it in with you. It's a regular size fuse. It's not the minis. It's not the really big ones. It's just like a regular size 20 amp fuse. So the way to replace the fuse for the 12 volt is to grab this open here. So don't mind my change. Right here, there is actually a lever here. So you go under here and you'll push that up. See that? See, it just popped right back down. So push it up, pull this coin tray forward, it'll fall. Okay, don't let it fall completely, just comes right out there. There are these two hooks, which these two things go into. There's a third little hole there for that third middle piece. And so when you put it back, you just kind of slide it back on there and then push it back up. Now, when you get back here, you're gonna see a bunch of fuses. Now, apparently there's differentiation in the part numbers in the fuse location. So the 20 amps, mine only has 2. So it's one of these, and it turned out to be that one was blown at the bottom, this position 40. So my 2019 has the correct 40, position 40 for that fuse, and it is blown. Let me pull it out. Okay. You can get it with your fingers if your nails are long enough, but if you take a look at that, you can see very clearly the fuse inside of there has broken. So let's go get another one. Alright, picked up a pack of fuses. They're not as pretty as the OEM Volkswagen fuses, and I just knocked over all my change. But, you know, as you can see, this is the Volkswagen one. It's like a neon yellow, but it doesn't matter. It's a 20 amp, it's the same size. I'm gonna put it in right now, and we're gonna have everything's gonna work, hopefully. So we're back in this fuse box here, and we're looking for that spot that I just told you before. I had to take the fuse in with me, so I'm just gonna look for it again. And if you look really closely at these, you see there it says F40. They are actually numbered right on the fuse panel, which isn't great when you're looking for a fuse that's covered, but they are actually there. So fuse 40, F40, that's where I need to put this. It actually goes on the bottom too there. So let's see if I can do this on video. All right, I couldn't film it, but there it is, a new 20 amp fuse back in. Hopefully with power and turn on. Now I'm just gonna put this back here. So before, just line up those two things. And it just kind of goes back in, so no problem. Now let's see. And we're back. Okay, so that's it. Easy fix.